Hi everyone, this is point number one. Draw isometric views of 3D figures of end of term part 1. Now in this one, first we have draw the top, left, front and right view of each solid. So I have a figure here, this is your laptop. So what is the front? I can see from the straight, this is the front, right? So if I look at the front, what do I see here? This is one slim line and then you have a kind of a rectangle. So how will I draw this? If I have to draw, the front will be like this, and there's a change in the shape because this is coming in the front. So that's how it is, right? Now this is your front. Now what about the top? Now if I look from the above, so that will be how it will look like. That will be your top if you look from the top. Now what do you see in this case? Yeah, this is your top. So what do I see in this case? You have a line, right? And there's a change. So for a change, we draw one line extra. And then you have a kind of a rectangle shape. That is your top, right? Now let me move it to the original shape now. Now what will be the left? The left will be this side. So let's look it from the left. So if you look it from the left this time, now what do you see here? You see a L type of shape, right? Like this type of shape do you see, and this is called left. Now what about right? So let's move it to the original shape now. The original shape is this, and now if I go to the right, this will be again a L type shape like this. So that's how you draw the front, top, left and right. So before I start this, you need to understand what is top, left and front and right, okay? So now let's talk about our questions. Also in the detail, if you want to see, I will connect my previous video on isometric views, so you can just watch and understand that, okay? So let me just start this, okay? Now let me move it, okay? Yes. So first question we have 30 number, and in this one you have to draw the top. So look at the top. If you look from here, you see these two boxes here. Then there's a change in the shape. So you see these whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you look from the top, you will see this type of shape. Now what about the left? If you look from the left this side, then you see the L shape, right? So this is your top, this is your left. Now what about front? The front is this side from here. So what you will see, these two boxes, then there's a change in the shape, then these two boxes, right? So for the change, we draw one black solid line, okay, dark solid, you can say. And what about the right? Right from this side. So that is again L type of shape. So, right, this is the top, top, left, right, left, right, and this is your front. Now similarly in this one, what will be your top in this case now? The top will be this, right? What will be your left? The left will be from here. What will be the right? This will be your right. And this is your front view. Now it depends from which side you are looking, okay? So if I look at the top, that will make, 1, 2, then change in the shape, 1, 2, change. So that's your top. Now what about left? Left you see this one whole box, okay? So that will be your left. Now it's just all about imagination, okay? So I cannot show you much in this, but you need to imagine it, okay? Which side is top, left, and right? If I look at the front, now front is first you have these three boxes. So front you have three boxes, then two boxes, and then one. So that's your front. Now what about right? So this time this is your right from here. So first I have two boxes, then change, then again two boxes, then change, and then again two boxes. Okay, now the last one, 32, draw the top. Now top will be from here. So what we have? We have three boxes, and then there's a change. So this will be one solid line here, and then one box, two box, sorry. This is your top. What about left? In the left you have three boxes and then two boxes, right? So when you look from the left side, it will appear this way. When you look from left side, it will appear this. Now, what about the front? If I look at the front, this is your front here. So I see this type of shape, but there's a change in the shape for this. So these two will appear as one block only from the front. So that's your front. Now what about the right view? The right view is from this side. So what do I see here? I see three boxes, and then there's a change in the shape. There's a change in the shape, and then how many boxes? Then you have two boxes, right? From here. These three and these two. So that's how you will have to check top, left, front, and right. And for more understanding, you can watch the previous video and try to imagine. That's how it is. Okay, there's nothing much to explain about this topic. So yeah, I mean, take some practical figure in your hand. Take your mobile or some solid shape, and try to look from the top and bottom, left and right, and front and back. Okay, so for that, it's all about imagination. So that's it for this video. Let's not make it long, and see you in the next one.